Ho ho, you gorgeous people of the interwebs, and welcome to day 8 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. I've got an appointment this morning in Colchester, so the Lion and I are going to go to that, and then we're going to go and hopefully see Santa and go to the gingerbread walk that we've heard about in the, they've got like this little musey bit. It's like you've got the main high street and then you've got this bit behind the high street. So they do different events there, and for Christmas they're doing a gingerbread walk and a Santa's grotto. So we're going to go and do that. But first off, I want to get into my advent calendar for today. For this is one I've been tremendously excited about. It's a big ticket item. And not only is it a big ticket item, it is a big item. It is in this massive... Look at the size of it, it's huge. So let's do this. I am surrounded by cats. I've got one here and I've got one down here who think it's their advent calendar time, but not yet, it's too early. You've just had breakfast. You're not having advent calendar straight after breakfast. I will give that to you a bit later. Right, advent calendar, day 8. In here, the Lion did actually say to me, why are you leaving that to day 8? You should be opening that early doors, and we will see why. This is basically the wrapping, because it is such a big thing. Oh dear. Disaster. It is a simple human sensor mirror with 1, 5 and 10 times magnification on it, and it lights up, and I do believe it lights up when it senses your face approaching. The reason that I got this is because I currently use this little thing. This is a cheap and cheerful little light up travel mirror with, like, I think it's 5 or 7 times magnification. I've been using this for a couple of years now, I think, maybe even 3 years. It's great, but where my dressing table is set up in our bedroom, I need a little bit more light. And also when I'm sitting at my dressing table, I'm sort of scrunched down or holding it up to my face while I'm putting cream and stuff on. And that's just not, it's just not good enough anymore. I'm too old, I'm too long in the tooth to be dealing with that. Woo. Don't know if this is like you leave it plugged in all of the time, but here we go. Oh, I see. Okay, so this big side here, this looks like this is the 5 times magnification. Oh, it comes with its own little cleaning cloth. That's cute. Wow, my glasses are filthy. Right, we've had to move up to my desk so we can see this in action. Here we go. So, okay, so that's the bit that spins round. So that's your normal magnification. That's your 10 down there. So that would still require a lot of, oh, that's come off. Okay, well, let's peel that off. It would still require, oh, so satisfying. It would still require an element of scrunching down, I suppose, for the finer details, plucking those old chin hairs, lovely stuff. But, ooh, and I do believe, is it the base that switches the light on? Or not, or is it just, is this the sensor up here that does it? I should probably read the instructions, but this was £299, which is a lot, but it is something that I use every single day, so I think it's worth it. It's also worth it because I got it on a 20% off discount. Probably should have had this as one of my first advent calendar pieces, so I could use it for getting ready to go to Harrods for my birthday and all of those good things. But I had other stuff. Planned, but I'm going to get used to it. Oh, do you like that spinny? It's good. don't know. It's a shame you can't spin that round so that's at the top. Oh, I need to get the tweezers. But yes, so that's going to be great for doing makeup and stuff. It's at the right height. Doing my moisturiser. It's lit up. I can't remember what it said about the lighting modes. I think it's got different lighting modes. Have to read the instructions, but also have to get a wriggle on and get to my appointment. Hot Sausage Company, here we come. Yes, please. I will have the same.
No cheese on it? Ketchup?
Yeah, a little bit of ketchup, please. It's not a hot dog, but I'll go for it. Yummy! Santa's clearly expecting trouble. In the form of Baron and Roxy, eh, Autumn? It looks very pretty though, very nicely done, but I think we're a bit early. Oh God, you're right up behind me. It looks cute though, but it's very definitely closed. Yummy scrummy coffee. These are the girls' GPS collars, quite a big unit, and they are linked to, they're not linked to each cat, but we've named them to each cat. So the only thing that we've got to differentiate between the two is we put this little red dot on the inside here, and this is Daisy's, so we know that's Daisy's and we know that's Lily's, but it's difficult to figure this out first thing in the morning when you're bleary-eyed and you haven't had a coffee yet and you need to put them on the girls. So I found these at Pets at Home. Now, we've got a bell, which we're not going to use. These came with bells on these little D-rings here, but we had to take them off because it was annoying to us, but also we couldn't sneak up on them with these to put them on because they'd hear the bell and they'd run. So we've got two here that we are going to use. This one is going to go on Daisy's collar. And this one, this says spoiled. That's going to go on Lily's. That took way longer than it should have done to get them on there. So they don't sit completely flush, but I'm banking on this bit lying flat because it can't lie flat that way around. It tends to lie flat that way around. Don't they look cute? Okay, advent calendar time, babies. Oh, I've lost count again. 15 and 16. 16 is here. And 15 is here. That's Lily. Daisy, get your bum out of the way. Come on. There we go. There's Lily. Daisy. Come on. Daisy. Come on. Sisters, you have had yours. But there's plenty of dust. Dust for everyone. Thank you. Daisy, you're just licking everything now. Thank you, babies. Thank you for coming. Same time tomorrow. Are you a hungry cat? Daisy, are you a hungry cat? Are you a hungry cat? Or is it just you? Yeah? Oh. Din-dins for babies. Ready, ready. Come on then. Show me where we're going. Thank you. Here we go. Dinner for babies. Go on, Daisy. Here, go on. Good girls.
Good.
Thank you for cooking again, the lion. Look at this yummy stir fry. Look at that, yummy, yummy stir fry with prawn crackers and wine. And the lion cooked dinner again tonight so I could edit Vlogmas for you guys. So everyone with me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, the lion. Thank you.
Cheers.